This tutorial review will show you how to change or add a Google Gmail recovery email address. A recovery phone number or email address helps you reset your password if you forgot your password, if someone else is using your account, if you are locked out of your account for another reason. So first of all, let's see how to add a recovery email address. Open your Gmail and click on your profile here and click on manage your Google account, and here click on personal info. Under contact info, click on your email, and here you'll find recovery email section, and inside of this section click on add recovery email to add a new email, and enter here the email and click on next, and then you have to verify your recovery email address. So go to your recovery email address and you will get a verification email. So enter the verification code here and click on verify. Once you verified, the email address will be added as recovery email address. And to change your recovery email address, open this page and now click on the recovery email address. And now from here you can easily change your recovery email address. Just put here the new email address and click on next, and you have to verify your email address, and that's how you can change or add recovery email address in Google account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.